Love snacking on Crips? Try out this easy and delicious banana Crips recipe that only needs 3 ingredients, making the recipe a very budget-friendly recipe and delicious. Over here I have a bunch of bananas, so I'm going to start off by peeling my green bananas, which are very fresh, straight from the farm. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 5 large green bananas, and as you can see, the bananas are very huge. I'm going to start off by chopping the ends, and using a small knife, I'm going to peel my green bananas just like that. While chopping your green bananas, you'll notice that the bananas are producing sap. So there are 2 ways, or there are several ways that you can do to avoid sap sticking on your hands. So you can smear some cooking oil on your hands, on the palm of your hands and your knife also, and peel your green bananas. Also, you can wear a glove just like I'm doing on one hand, because the banana sap is always messy. After peeling your green bananas, you're going to soak the bananas in water. That helps the bananas not to oxidize. So you're going to clean your bananas and drain the water. Over medium flame, you're going to place a pan with vegetable oil. You can also use sunflower, avocado, or any neutral oil. After draining the water, I'm going to use a paper towel to dry off my green bananas, just like that. The next step is to fry my green bananas into crisp. So I'm going to check if the oil is hot by inserting a skewer in the oil. Once I notice bubbling, the oil is ready for my crisp. Over here I have a very cheap vegetable peeler that you can find wherever you are. It has a lot of functions. For example, today I'm going to be using my vegetable peeler to make crisp. You're going to pick the peeled banana, and using the vegetable peeler, you're going to slice in very thin slices of the green bananas into the cooking oil. That is going to give you a very awesome thin crisp. After slicing your green bananas in the cooking oil, make sure not to use a skimmer because the crisps are going to break down. So give the crisps about a minute, then you can use your skimmer. If you don't have a simple vegetable peeler like this one, you can also use a knife. Just make sure you are cutting the green bananas very thin because you want thin crisp. I'm going to check on my bananas, and everything is turning out perfectly. After about 1 minute, the crisps are ready, so I'm going to use a skimmer and drain off the excess oil. Listen to the crunch. And transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. Nice. Next, I'm going to pick another banana and repeat the same process. I find using a vegetable peeler very easy and quick. My crisps are ready, so I'm going to use a skimmer. This is how the crisps are looking. Shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. While adding in the bananas, also avoid overcrowding because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and the banana crisps are not going to crispen up. After 1 minute, you're going to notice some nice golden brown color on your crisp. That means that the crisps are ready. So using a skimmer, you're going to scoop out the crisps and drain off the excess oil. Transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. Immediately the crisps are from the cooking oil, you're going to sprinkle in with some salt to season the green bananas. And if you don't like salty green bananas, the salt is also optional because the crisps are delicious just as they are. The aroma in the kitchen right now is just awesome. Sprinkle in a little bit of salt. And my banana crisps are ready. So the crisps are very light, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. You have to try out this banana crisp recipe, and I know you can access green bananas wherever you are. That is matoke. And try out making this delicious banana crisp recipe for your family, and trust me, it's going to be a favorite. The crisps are best served with some salsa, guacamole, and also perfect just as they are.